Hello everyone. Want to start off by apologizing for not having any videos lately. I've been feeling a little under the weather, and I just hadn't really felt like doing anything. But wanted to get a video out for you today, so we're going to take a deeper look on this 73 Cushman here and what my initial plans on it are. Alright, according to the model number, this is a Cushman Haulster, I believe, and it's supposed to have some kind of a dump bed, and this has obviously been customized and pieced together. I do not think this cab and that back piece, I do not think are original to this thing. So I'm kind of thinking about moving the cab over to my 65, because it looks like everything's about similar. Everything should work. So I'm really thinking about moving that cab over to my 65, and leaving this back part on here, and just transferring all of this, like the side mirror, the side mirrors right there, the doors, everything. And I'm gonna do some research on how hard it would be to transfer the steering system from this over to the 65 and putting the handlebar on here with taking the cab off. But according to the model number, it's supposed to have an 18 horsepower motor, and this is a 22 horsepower motor. So believe the motor has been changed. It is missing the transmission. Transmission from this should work, but the rear end would have to be changed and the drive shaft modified. So I'm thinking about just getting another transmission that's going to work in here, so I can use the original drive shaft and everything. But let's move to the other side, because it has some unpleasant stuff on the other side. This side has a good bit of rust, and the floor pan and the frame rail on this side is going to have to be repaired. And another reason why I'm thinking about taking the cab off is because of this right here. It has the window right here, but there's nothing sealing off, and it is just a trap for dirt and crap. So that does not look very good. So that's why I want to take this off and put it on here. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't work. But yeah, there's my initial plans. I'm not looking forward to repairing that. I'm gonna have to see if I can find a replacement frame section going up, because that's right on a bend, and it's gonna need some definitely gonna need some heavy repair on that. Moving to the back, on these here are going to be cut off, because this is original structure, and this is what was welded to it. It's supposed to have this right here, but it's been cut off. So I will be cutting all of these off, because they are not original. Cutting all those off because I do not need them. Hang on. There we go. And the bed sides are going to need some pretty heavy repair too. So that, and I need to make a battery box, because it's supposed to have a battery box right there, just like my 65 right there. So I'm going to have fun fabricating a lot of stuff and fixing a lot of stuff, but I know I can do it. So I ain't afraid of it. It's just a matter of time. But yeah, that is my initial plans on the 73. Take the cab off, put it on here, take off all the excess piping and stuff on there. Take the bed sides off, which should come off. I think everything comes off on these things. If not, then I'll just make it come off and then I'll weld it or bolt it together. But yeah. But yeah, there it is. There's my initial plans on the 73 Cushman. The 65 has got me spoiled on the rear end gear because I actually got 443 gear in the 65, which is really rare. And this one has got like 10 something. So I'm definitely gonna be on the hunt for a probably a 443 or 471 gear for this one, so this one can go as fast as that one. So there's my initial plans on the 73. Still haven't done anything on the 79 right here. I haven't taken the bed off, haven't really done anything to it aside from taking the doors off. But yeah, there's the 73. Oh yeah, was also able to get my hands on a Cushman Carter carburetor to go on this thing. So I'm slowly gathering the parts I need to try to get this thing fired up. I haven't really looked to see if I could find a transmission for this thing. I'm sure I can. I just haven't done the research on it yet and on how much they're going to cost. Hopefully it's not too much. But I definitely have a project on my hands with both of these and my 65 if I decide to move the cab over. But there it is. Kind of a short video. But there it is. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.